Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja, and if you're new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today we're going to be reviewing Loopy's phone case. So excited to show you guys which one I chose. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's get started. So inside the packaging, you get your packing slip, the little baggie that it comes in. Phone cases in there, and they give you like a little pamphlet with tips and directions. Okay, y'all, they did put a 10% off coupon code inside of my package. So if you guys watch all the way to the end of my video, there might be a 10% off coupon code for you guys to order your own Loopy case. And then the case itself, I ordered pearl. Guys, look how pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. I ordered this for my iPhone 12 Pro Max that I just got. So that's why it's already on here. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on, and I'm gonna show you how you could do stuff hands-free. It's kind of hard to rip off. This is what it's looking like inside. You got these little things, and it's not as bad as you think. Like, they fold down really flat, and there's not too much of a bump or anything. This is adjustable if you want it to be bigger or you want more fingers. You just go ahead and pull it out and it loosens up, or pull them in obviously to tighten it. I think mine is comfortable about right here. You'll want to fold these down, slide your phone in like so. Boom. It's in already. That simple, literally. Like I said, you could even look. It's not a huge protruding bump as long as you make sure they're folded down. I think it's good. It's perfect for me. I've seen a lot of videos where people turn it backwards and then you got hands free. You know, or snap like. Got your hands free to have your drink. Pearl is so pretty. Guys, so I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and two main things that I wanted to know, no one talked about in their video. So I'm going to talk about it in mine, and I'm also going to show you exactly what I mean. One of my questions was, can you put your new Loopy phone case in your car's phone holder so you can use your GPS? Would it hold it or would it not because of this? Well, I'm going to show you, so let's go. I want to see if my Loopy case can go in here when I'm driving and I can still use my GPS without having to take this off, which will be annoying, but yeah, let's see. I guess I'll try to fold it down a little bit. Ugh. Push that on there, like, struggle with one hand. Oh, no, we're not fitting. If we can. So we have it up there, but just barely. Let's look. I wonder if this will fall out on some bumps. Yep, came right out. Let's try something else. So I think we might have it in here. I think I have it more snug than I did before. It looks a little bit more flatter. And I wonder if this thing will fly out over a bump. Kind of hard. All right, so I wanted to show you, if you kind of slide the phone downwards like this, looks like it could hold my phone. That's the main thing. So if you guys are curious if it works, it kind of doesn't unless you kind of finesse it in. But if it doesn't bother you to take off your case, then you might have to do that if you like to put your phone up here and drive with GPS. I want to do a drop test. I know it's on carpet, but I'm too scared to do it on the other floor. But let's just see. Let's see how it works when I drop it. Let's do knee level. Okay, let's do waist level. Well, I mean, I didn't expect it to break from waist high onto the carpet, but it's a start. I am so in love with this case. It is so pretty. As you can see, it does pick up quite a bit of fingerprints, but that doesn't bother me too much. This is gorgeous. I feel like I made a really good decision, and I would definitely recommend Loopy to anyone, really. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel.